Hi guys, and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Alicia Verwee and you are at Educating. Our job is to keep you on the cutting edge of education. Today's video is going to be all about another Google Chrome extension for you to put into your toolbox to make you more effective, and it is called Pocket. So make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so we can keep bringing these videos to you, and we are going to jump in and get started.
So the first thing you want to do is open up a Google regular browser. When you do that, you're going to go to the Google Play Store, type that in. It's going to pull up. Go to the Play Store. At the top, you're going to be able to search. You're going to type in Pocket and hit the search option. It should be the very first one, Pocket, right here. And it's going to say install. You want to click that install option. Now, I'm not going to do that right now because I already have it, but you will want to click that in order to install the Pocket Chrome extension, and then it will show up here just like mine is. You see here, I've now installed it, and it shows up right there. It says Save to Pocket. Now, remember, in order for that to show up, you have to hit this little funny-looking puzzle piece, I call it, and then you have to make sure that it is pinned. So right here, it's going to be pinned. Make sure the pin is colored in so that it'll show up in your toolbar. So with Pocket, I'm going to click on it, and you see that I need to set it up. You want to make sure and continue with Google. This is the easiest way to make sure that you're going to be synced across all of your devices. And what I mean by that is you'll be able to access this anywhere that you sign in under your Google login. So all of your stuff you have saved in Pocket will be there. So you're going to simply go through, you're going to set it up. And as you can see, it's very, very simple to do. And it's asking me to sign in just like I always do. So that's what I'm doing. Verifying that it's me, it's signing me in. And we are now in. So it's going to have this little screen here. Now, once you're in, you notice it has all of these features over on the left-hand side. So you can archive something, which means you want to put it away. You can add it to your favorites. You can highlight. I'm going to show you that in a minute. This is your articles, your videos, so you can separate things that way. You can also give things tags, which makes it easier to organize your Pocket. So let's go over here to just a regular browser. And I am going to do something like Social Media Examiner. So maybe I go to this a lot and I read articles, but I don't always have time maybe to read those articles as I come across them. So I'm just going to click this and we're going to scroll through and see what article I would like to save for later. LinkedIn messages, what marketers need to know. Okay, so I'm going to click that because I might want to read this in more detail later. So how do I save it? I'm simply going to go right up here to the right. I'm going to click my Save to Pocket icon. And as you see, it is now saved to Pocket. Now it's asking me, do I want to give it a tag? So I'm going to give it a social media tag. That way, as I'm looking through stuff inside of my content, I can easily find what I'm looking for. Okay? Hit enter, and it has now got that tag. So I am good to go. Okay? Now, I want to see this inside of my Pocket account. So I'm going to go over here, and you see that it is now inside my Pocket account. So I have saved this. Now, the awesome thing about Pocket is that it is also available offline. So if you're linking it to one of your devices and you download the app, you'll be able to access this material even if you don't have an internet connection. So that's another awesome thing about it. I am going to click inside of here just so you can see some of the great features that it allows. So you notice when I pull it up, I don't have all of this other stuff on the side. It's simply just the images inside of the article and the article's content. So it makes it easier to read. Now, let's say I do want that. I can simply just click this View Original, and it will bring me to all of that again. So I can have all of that rich text if I want, or I can just slim it down and have just the necessities. Now, if I'm in this view where I have just the necessities, I have these features available, so I can highlight. So if I find something specific in the article is important to me, I might want to highlight that for future use. I can share just that highlighted portion or not as well, so that's nice. And notice it makes it like a little note over here, which is also great. Okay. You can tag the article. You see I already have it tagged as social media, but I may want to add some additional tags to make it easy to find. I can make it a favorite. I can archive the article. I can delete it from the library altogether, or I can share the article. Now, if you're a teacher, you may want to share this article with your students. You may want to share this article on social media. You may want to share it with another teacher friend. So there's a lot of different ways to do this. If you're not a teacher and you're looking at this because maybe you're a business person, you may want to share this with another colleague. So you see you have social media and you have recommended, so you can give it a comment before you share, etc. So you do all of that inside of this platform. Makes it super easy. You can also change your display settings. So this is nice as well. So I can make it dark if you prefer to read with a black background. So you can really change it to make it as user-friendly to you and your eyes. You can also enlarge your font. So if you need that to be larger or smaller, you can do that. And then, of course, you can choose to do the premium option. There is a paid version of this. I don't really find the paid version necessary, but obviously you can play around with this. And if you think you need some of those additional features, you can always opt for the premium version. So really simple to use. And if you install this on your mobile device, you again will be able to access all of this inside of your mobile device as well. Now, you can also add things here. So if I know that there's a specific something that I want to add, I can type it in right here and just click that add feature. And I can also go and bulk edit. So if I want to go through here and say I want to delete several things all at one time, I could do that. And you see I just check those circles and then I would be able to delete. So very simple to use, very easy to access. And again, the fact that A, it is accessible across your devices, and B, that you can access things offline make this a really great tool.
I hope this is another great tool and resource for you that you will find just as useful as I do. Make sure that you smash that like button if you enjoyed today's video and that you share it so that others can enjoy it as well. We would love for you to go and subscribe to our channel. And if you do, make sure and hit that bell so that you're notified every single time we post new content. Remember that Educating is here for you. So again, if there's anything that you'd like for us to do a video on, or you need help with something, please drop us a comment or go to our website and feel free to send us an email, and we will certainly get right back to you. We hope today's video was useful and helpful, and we hope to see you here next time. Happy teaching!